Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to add a payment method in Beacons AI. So friends, if you want to add payment method, go to your setting. From the setting, go to payment. From this payment providers, you have connect a Stripe, you have PayPal, you have bank account. So if you want to connect your PayPal or the PayPal accounts, click add. This is for Stripe, just click connect. You will redirect it to Stripe accounts. Just await from this page. As you can see here, you have a Stripe account. From here, you can wait a few seconds here to connect your Stripe, or you can click edit bank if you want to add a bank account. Just type your bank, write your bank IBAN, Swift codes, account holders address, and click save your account. If you want to use PayPal, click connect, and then you can add a PayPal successfully without any problem. You will redirect to PayPal accounts. This is how you can do basically. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this.